Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Start with the basics. In this video, I will show how to make brick stitch beaded earrings. First, gather your materials. You'll need seed beads, a beading needle, and a strong beading thread like Nymo or Fireline. Make sure your beads are uniform in size, usually 11 or 15. Also, have a pair of sharp scissors and your chosen earring hooks nearby. These are the foundational items for creating beautiful, handcrafted earrings. Now, let's build the foundation. Thread your needle with approximately 5 feet of beading thread, leaving a 6-inch tail. Pick up 2 seed beads and slide them down. Then, pass your needle back through the first bead, forming a small loop. Gently pull the thread taut to secure these first 2 beads. This creates the crucial starting point for your brick stitch design, ensuring a strong and even base. With your base established, it's time for the brick stitch. Pick up 2 new beads for your second row. Pass your needle under the thread bridge between the first 2 beads of the previous row. Pull the thread through, then go back up through the second bead you just added. For the rest of the row, pick up 1 bead at a time, repeating this process under each subsequent thread bridge. Keep your tension consistent for a beautiful, uniform pattern. As you progress, you can shape your earrings by decreasing beads at the end of rows, creating a lovely tapered or pointed design. Once your piece is complete, weave your working thread through several beads, tying a secure knot to prevent unraveling. Trim any excess thread very close to the beads for a neat appearance. Finally, attach your chosen earring hooks to the top loop of your beautifully crafted brick stitch earrings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.